Hi, my name is Ana Saldana, and I'm an onboarding customer success manager here at Sprout Social. Today, we are covering automated rules and ordered rules for automating the management of your Salesforce cases. So, what are auto rules and how are ordered rules different? Automated rules scan the messages in the smart inbox in Sprout to detect certain parameters you set when creating your auto rule. Once you establish the criteria and enable your automated rules, your rules are automatically added to the unordered rules section. So by design, Sprout runs all of these rules in this section when a message or review matches the criteria of 2 or more rules. However, Sprout automatically deduplicates the send to Salesforce action to ensure that multiple cases are not created for a single message or review. Now you also have the option for ordered rules, which are processed sequentially, and only the first matching rule is applied to a message, so they are processed in order of priority. You can set the priority on each rule in this section so that if a message, review, or post does not match the criteria of the first rule in the list, the engine will move on to the next rule and only process the first matching rule. This makes ordered rules very useful if you want a case prioritization hierarchy that depends on the Salesforce labels field within the rules. If you require deterministic Salesforce labeling results, you will need to set up ordered rules. You must first create your rules. Once that rule is created, you will see it in your unordered rules section, and now you can take the steps to order that rule. Find your rule, and on the furthest right, you will see the 3-dot overflow menu. You will click on that, and then select Move to Ordered Rules. Once you do this, you will find that one rule under the ordered rules section, and then you can change the order of the ordered rules in 2 ways if you have multiple ordered rules. You can either toggle the arrows next to the rule number to move rules up or down in the list, or just type in the desired number in the numerical input area next to the rule. If you update the numerical input, Sprout will update the rest of your rules to maintain the order. And that's it. You set it up and let Sprout handle the rest. I hope you found this helpful, and thanks so much for tuning in today. We'll see you next time. Bye.